Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add or update the gender information on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can make sure your profile is up to date with Facebook's new update. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page where you can manage all your details. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll usually find it in the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on About to access your page's personal information. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Gender. Right next to it, you'll notice a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on that icon to open the editing options. Here's where you can choose your gender. Facebook offers several options, so you can select the one that best represents you. Just click on your preferred choice. If you'd like, you can also customize your gender, or choose who can see this information on your profile, giving you full control over your privacy. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the section. This will update your page with your new gender information. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated the gender on your Facebook page using your PC. It's a simple process, but keeping your information accurate helps friends and followers connect with you better. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.